Alys here from Tanio TV, and today we are going to be making bug houses.
For this you will need a tin or an old flower pot will do. Anything really that you can fill with material to make a nice dry home for your bugs and insects. You also need a selection of materials which you can just go out, you can go for a walk and collect them, or you can go into your garden and find them. I have quite a large selection, so I've got some sticks that I found in the garden and I've just cut down to size. You might want to get your parents, guardians or teachers to do this for you. We have got a selection of pine cones, a large one and lots of little ones. We've got some branches off a fir tree. I've got some hay. I've got some branches off our Christmas tree, and I've also got some nice bark. But you can use whatever you want, because lots of insects and bugs are attracted to lots of different materials. I even found something in my garden that when you cut it, it's got a lovely hole through. So the idea is you take your tin, I've got an old coffee tin here, and you start to fill it with a range of materials, making lots of different textures and spaces for your insects to crawl into. So I'm going to put some hay in, I'm going to put a pine cone, I'm going to put a selection of small pine cones at the bottom. I'm going to take the bark and I'm going to make it into a circle, and I'm going to pop that in. And what we're going to do, this is going to go on its side, so it might help to put things in on its side so you know how it's going to fit when it goes to your tree, or you can put it on the floor between stones and logs. So the next thing I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put a selection of sticks in. And these poke out a bit, which is quite nice for bugs to rest on. And put a little bit of my Christmas tree twigs in. And they can rest down the bottom the home, and then I really like these twigs with the holes in, and lots of insects including ants, hoverflies, wild bees. They love to get into lots of holes and nooks and crannies. So we're getting a good selection there. Try and fill as many gaps as possible. Now this is a good alternative to a bug hotel, which are usually really big, but this at least gives a home for a few of our creatures. I think I'm going to put again some more bark in. Just fill a gap in there. Okay, so you can see the type of materials that are in there at the moment. And we're pretty much full, just fill in some gaps, maybe with some small pine cones or a couple more sticks. Now you can also do this with plastic water bottles or drink bottles, and if you cut the tops off them, then you can do exactly the same thing with those. And again, we are recycling materials. So I'll just put a few more of these sticks with the holes in. And there we go, we've got a miniature bug house that we can pop in our garden.